Building a website for your smoothie bar should not be expensive and it shouldn't be difficult either. That's why today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Mighty Sites platform to build a simple website for your smoothie bar. If you haven't heard of Mighty Sites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, no credit card details needed to start it. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. Now, as you can see, we've got hundreds of markets to choose from for various small businesses, and we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top, search for my market, smoothie bar. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and select that template. Great. Let's now Mighty Sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to pop in my city and my state or region over here. And it doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the Mighty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you click continue, Mighty Sites will automatically generate a simple website for your business with the information you've just put in. And there you have it. It's literally done so in a couple seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course, as you can see. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality. They're completely free for you to use. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images of all the amazing smoothies you're serving up at your smoothie bar. You want to showcase them on your website, maybe make 1 or 2 amendments to this content that was pre-written for you. You can absolutely do that. It's super simple. You don't need to know coding or be a web professional in any kind of way. You certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself. So let's get started. I'm going to quickly walk you through each section. I'm going to click on the first section and pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that is visible on my website for my customers to see. So I'm going to go ahead and tick the box. Excellent. Let's pop in our phone number over here. That is click to call, by the way, and your address, your physical location. When your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps. Under update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons for your social channels will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. If you've got a business logo, go ahead and upload it in the next section. Once it's been uploaded, you can click on this pencil to make slight amendments to it. You can crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames. Otherwise, click on save. Here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. If you don't have a huge budget for a logo design, I recommend you check out canva.com or hatchful.com. Personally, use both myself. We have some videos on how to make a logo for free on those platforms on our YouTube channel, so check them out. With Mighty Sites as well, we pre-selected the colors for you. If you want to change them to go a little bit better with your branding, click on that paint bucket, bottom right-hand corner, scroll through the various color palettes available for you to use. No color coding needed at all. Now, for each section you want to make amendments to, click on update section directly underneath it. This is where you can head on over to update image and browse your device to upload your own images. Search through the photo library, hundreds of free high quality images to use. Otherwise, connect your Instagram account and automatically pull in those images from your profile if you have one. Now, under update actions where we can change those buttons, perhaps you don't have a online ordering system like a third party that you use. Maybe you don't use Uber Eats, which you could link to over there as well. Let's put this as view our menu. You can also choose a link where that button links to. You can link to another website if necessary. Otherwise, upload a PDF file of your menu for your smoothie bar so your customers can easily check it out before they come through. Now, in this section over here is where we can update our business trading hours, opening hours. Go ahead and put them in over here. They will be displayed in this section over here for your customers' convenience. If you have a custom domain, go ahead and click on that yellow button at the bottom that says connect your domain. If you don't have a domain yet, you really want one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors, click on that button as well. You have the option to purchase a custom domain from the Mighty Sites platform by clicking on that button as well. Really hope this short tutorial was helpful in building a website for your smoothie bar. Really wishing you and your business mighty success.